everyone! Welcome to our cooking class. Today we're going to show you how to make a very simple dessert. You can do it at home and the ingredients are very easy to get. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Oh, and we're going to make cinnamon toast. So let's see first. You will need butter here. And actually this is a huge portion of butter. Actually this is 4 sticks of butter. We don't need that much. So later we'll only cut it half. We need 2 sticks of butter. And the second one you can see here, it's brown sugar. And there are 2 kinds of brown sugar here. The other one, as you can see here, it's darker. Okay. And we will mix them together. And you will also see this. If you can take a look of this, this is brown sugar and cinnamon powder. And the most important character, cinnamon powder. Here, you can use white toast and you can also use wheat toast or any kind of toast that you like. Okay, so let's getting started. First, we need to cut this in half because I just told you this is 4 sticks of butter in 1 pack. So I'll cut it in half. This way is easier. Okay, and I have a quick step for you. I'm not gonna put it in a bowl because it's hard to stir. So I'm gonna put it in a bag because you're going to use your hand temperature to soften the butter. Okay, and the second part, remember I just said we have 2 kinds of brown sugar. I mixed them together already. And here you need to learn, not really learn, you have to know something very important like this one. This is a measuring spoon. And actually in the markets, when you're going to buy one, it doesn't look like this. It would have different sizes of spoon and they will be like piled up together. And you can just pick one to use, and if you need a tablespoon, that will be like this size. And if you need a teaspoon, that will be like this size. Okay, so let's put it aside first. And I mix this together, and it's also like this. This one is also with brown sugar and cinnamon powder. So I just want to show you how I mix it. I'll just use this to mix it a little bit. And our main character, cinnamon powder. And actually when you want to put the cinnamon powder inside, it depends on how much you like. If you like cinnamon very much, then you can put, I think, more than 1 tablespoon. So I plan to put like a 2 tablespoons here. 2 tablespoons. Okay. And then I'll stir it evenly. You cannot smell it, and actually now I'm smelling very good cinnamon powder flavor here. It's all in the air. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in a bag. I will put at least 5 or 6 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, 6. Well, I think it's not enough. I think I'll put 3 more. So that will be 7, 8, and 9. Don't be shy, just get as much as you like. And then we're gonna use our hand temperature to soften the butter and mix all of it. After a few minutes of hard work, you see our cinnamon butter is ready. So I'm gonna squeeze them out. So let me find a place. Then I'll get a scissor to cut it. And see, I'm going to squeeze them. I didn't mix them in a bowl because I'm lazy. I don't want to clean the bowl with a lot of butter on it. So I think this is the quickest way and the easiest way to deal with the cinnamon powder with sugar and butter. But this looks funny. What does it look like? It's okay, it will be very tasty, trust me. Should I squeeze more? Maybe a little bit more. I cannot stop laughing. What about you? Next time I should put like a flower shape or something on it. Then it won't look like this. I'll have a very quick squeeze. That looks different, right? So how's that? Makes you feel better? Okay, and the next step. Our toast is ready. I'm going to spread them evenly. I'm not gonna waste any place of the toast because I want it to be covered with the cinnamon powder, sugar, and butter. If you like it very sweet, then you can just put a lot on it. See, even the edge, I will also cover it with the butter. Alright, so see, they're all done. I spread the butter and also with the cinnamon powder and brown sugar evenly on the toast. So they're ready to put it in the oven. Let's wait for it to become nice and crispy. Okay, 10 minutes. Yeah, we'll wait for 10 minutes. Time's up. We're going to take them out. Yeah, nice and crispy. That's what we want. Ta-da! Let's place it on a plate. Guys, they're ready, nice and crispy. Get ready to dig in. Now I'm going to show you the other way of making the cinnamon toast, and it's also very easy. It's just a little bit different. So we just get some butter and also spread on the toast evenly. After you spread the butter on the toast, you need to get a plate. And remember, you have to get a bigger plate. The plate should be like at least this size, because you're going to sprinkle some sugar on it. This sugar here is mixed with cinnamon powder already, so you spread it. And the same, if you like it a lot, then you have to put a lot of sugar on it. I think it's ready. Okay, so we can just put this. Put this here, and then all right, and we also wait another 10 minutes and it'll be ready. Okay, it's ready. Let's take it out. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. Use the plates here. See, this is how it looks like when you just spread the butter first and then you sprinkle the sugar on it. Hey guys, we're ready. See? This is the one we used the first way to do it. Remember, we mix the butter and brown sugar together, and then we spread on the toast and then bake it for 10 minutes. This is the one we only spread the butter and then we sprinkle cinnamon powder and also brown sugar on the top, and we also bake it for 10 minutes. The color is a little bit different. This one's lighter, and actually it has more like a crystal sugar on it. But trust me, they all taste delicious. So right now, get a cup of coffee, sit down, relax, and eat.